All right, welcome. Let's get into Google Classroom. This is going to be a two-part video. So the first part is I'm going to show you what it kind of looks like and how to get it started. And then my next one, I'll show you a little bit more about how to embed information into your classroom. So you can simply type in Google Classroom as one option to get in, and that'll be the first one. Or you can go to your grid and you can look for the same icon as this one right here. It's not right there. It's on the next section. If you don't find it there, you can go to Even More from Google, and it will pop up all the Google apps or tools. So I'm in my personal Google right now. I want to switch it to my professional or teacher Google account. That's a quick, easy switch. I do have a lot of my stuff shared, so I'll show you how to do that as well. So there's a few different classes, and for my county, this is for teachers, and this is kind of the one I experimented with this year. So here's a basic layout that it could look like, and I'm sure yours will be even more advanced and better than mine. So some different assignments, and I've gotten feedback from students. I can see who's finished, who is not finished, and I can click on individuals to see who they are. I can provide instant feedback from their responses to the students and share different documents. So let's go ahead and create a new one. So we're going to go back to classes, and we are going to click the plus. Now, the best way for students to access the class is go to join class. And a teacher, when they start a class, there's going to be a code, and that you're going to type in the code right here, and then that'll automatically join them into the class. So I'll show you where to find that code. Right now, we are going to go to create a class, and let's just call the class name Mrs. Bond. And I don't know, I'm an art teacher. I have like 4 to 6 classes per grade once a week. I'll just say it's art, and I'll just call the section the grade level. So I'll just say it's 4th grade. I will create, and you will have a basic template to work with, but you'll be able to, I'll show you how to customize some things and work your way around. And then on the next video, I'll show you how to embed some things. So at the top, you have Stream. That's your main page that the students are going to see, and all your posts are going to pop up. When students accept your invite, then their names will be here. So here's the code. So you can copy and paste that. You can write it up on the chalkboard or the Promethean board, and they can simply type that in. Then they'll be added to the class. You can add a guardian as well, and there's some features about how often they'll be emailed with information. So you can explore that and see if that's something that you would like to do. And those would end up being in those tabs as well if they accept that. And then if you want to add some information specific to the general guidelines of your class, or if you want to start a calendar specifically for that class, then that's a great place that you can look for that. Or if you already have one from Google Calendar, you can work with that. So those are a few different things in there. If you want to edit, there's the pencil. That always means edit. So we are going to back up to our home page. So that's what you have there. Let's go ahead and select a theme. I don't really know if I like this theme. So it is an art class. There are some select backgrounds or themes. Not a ton of varieties if you're focused on one theme. So there might have been like 6 art-related things here. Let's just go with this one. And there's also patterns. So if you like just a simple design, you can check that as well. We'll just go with this colored yarn. All right, boom. So I have that taken care of. If you want to upload a picture, you can do that at that option as well. So again, your students will be listed there, and about the class, you can add that information at the top tabs. Over here, if you happen to delete anything and if you want for it to pop up again, you can do that. This gives you control over how the students are interacting with the stream. So you can choose what you would like. One of the best things that I would recommend is to talk to the students about how they can be responsible on a class page, how they can be responsible with the things that they share or say or do. And so I think that's important. I think that was one of the things I kind of slipped up on when I first started this. I was so excited about doing the Google Classroom and starting with a simple question that students kind of were abusing it and just doing goofy stuff. Nothing major, but they were pretty repetitive with their responses and text, and they were just goofing around with it just so that their responses showed up on the stream, and it got a little bit annoying. So I had to chat with them about that, set some boundaries. So you control what you would like. Think about the theme and the mission of your classroom and what you want to set up. If you want to add some upcoming things related to your calendar or events, that's important to have, so it would be right smack dab on the front page. And that's pretty much the gist of how you can get a page started. This is where we will be talking about more on the next video about how to embed or start including things on your page. So I hope this was successful for you, and you will be able to get started right away on your homepage of your Google Classroom. Have fun.